Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this is going to be like more of a tactical helmet. I'm in front of my bike now, but like if you do paintball or something like that, I think this is what this is more for. But let's check this out here and see what it looks like. So in it we get I don't know what this is, a little patch and stuff. I guess this is probably going to be the top. So let's check out the helmet here. So here we go. This is, oh yeah, to go over the top and stuff. So let's see, how are we gonna do this here? I should be doing this at a table probably, but you get the idea. So let's see, this will go on here. I guess it is adjustable that you can take it off and put it on other things. So here we go. So we're taking the ugly green, covering it up, and making it into a regular helmet here. So here we go. So now it is a army looking helmet with lots of different patch places. So if I'm into, looking cool and stuff like that, I could put my little different patches on stuff. I could put my American flag that it came with. These are just more padding stuff that it came with as well. And then we have our strap. So it'll strap on like a bike helmet would. And I guess we have these things here too, which we can strap around to make it all fit and everything. But I'm just gonna try it on and we'll see how it feels. Wow, this is a nice feel. So tuck this in. It's got a good feel. So if you're into doing any kind of fun outdoor activities, I could even use it as a bike helmet, I guess. It's kind of a little big for a bike helmet, but it's a nice tactical kind of helmet. So if you need a good strong helmet for running around and not hitting into rocks or something, or if you're doing some mountain climbing or things to have a helmet for, this would be good. It's a nice outdoor, good multi-purpose helmet. So it's good, and it's got good padding on it. It feels good. It doesn't have nothing scraping me or anything like that. It's got the styrofoam and then the pads, which it looks like these are just extra pads that are going to fit the same kind of places. So look at where they're at to put them back in where they go. So very cool. I like this. It's a cool looking helmet. Thumbs up.